According to Gartner, up to 75% of software implementations fail, with deadlines missed and budget overspent, or else the proposed solution won't do what the client wants or needs. Implementing accounting software is much like building a house. You find a contractor who seems to have his stuff together. You explain what you want and discuss time and financial constraints. Unfortunately, what happens all too often is that after your project begins, alarm bells start to go off. The builder starts building a roof before laying the foundation. The problem, in this case, is the contractor simply does not have sufficient expertise or methodology in place. Implementing accounting software is quite similar. To do it right, you need an IT partner with highly qualified specialists who have an in-depth knowledge of investments and accounting, who use a methodology that outlines the priorities, scope, and deliverables for each stage of the project. Otherwise, you end up with a system that is similar to a house that is all roof and no foundation. Now, imagine that you agreed on the dimensions of the house but failed to discuss how many bedrooms and bathrooms it should have. Because the contractor lacked the foresight to explore your real needs, the layout has to be changed. Walls get moved and everything gets topsy-turvy. The same is true for an accounting system implementation. The software project team must plan ahead and discuss specific design decisions with you. Before implementation starts, all requirements, design, and scope must be detailed and documented. The bottom line is if your IT partner fails their mission and doesn't have these steps in place, the project will suffer from inattention to detail, sliding requirements, and sudden changes in the scope. What does an ideal project look like? The right way to handle this is to start with a transparent methodology and an organized team that will set out research and analysis, the foundation. This ensures that the scope is understood, the timeline is specified, the budget is precise, and the resources needed for success are secured both by your company and contractor. When a home contractor adopts this approach, you can be confident that you will have your dream home without any nasty surprises. It's the same with software implementation. The end result is an accounting system delivered on time and on budget that does what you need it to do. And now is where the rubber meets the road. Will your house be comfortable to live in? Will it survive storms that are sure to come sometime? Will it be affordable to maintain? Likewise, will your accounting system showcase durability, reliability, and efficiency when faced with real-world data? FundCount has over 20 years of implementation experience, a team of pros, and an unfettered methodology giving it a nearly unmatched 93% success rate. FundCount will keep you on time, on budget, and give you a final product you can rely on. FundCount, giving you the solution that meets your needs on time and on budget.